There's a lazy girl. Happy New Year, Uma. Happy New Year, guys. I hope you guys had a good time on New Year's and 2026, whole new brand new year. Crazy. Yeah, New Year's almost got rained out on us. We always have a potluck before, and it just sort of cleared up just for potluck. It was just spittling a little bit. And then, yeah, for New Year's, made it to all of 12:10 a.m. before I went to bed. Surprisingly, I made it up, actually. But yeah, cleared up, got to hang around the fire for New Year's and celebrate it with a bunch of people, which was awesome. Hopefully not as much repairs in 2026 as there were in 2025, that's for sure. Good news, I got a trauma specialist coming out on the 15th of January. Truma gave me his number and I called him. He's out in the Phoenix area, but he's coming to Quartzsite on the 15th, unfortunately. He's got lots of spare parts, lots of tools, so you can check everything. That other guy that I had, I realized in the long run they're pretty useless about everything. At least my AC compressor is fixed and all that, but yeah, 12 hours to repair all that, kind of ridiculous. Anywho, we are heading to town today. Going to Beer Bellies, aka Adult Daycare, a little bar in town that everybody goes to. There's always a bar playing there. Seems to be a tradition to always go there when you come to Quartzsite. And then we're going to Silly Al's for pizza after that. And then, yeah, back here to watch the Starlink launch, actually. That'll be cool to see. I'd love to see a rocket take off, like be close to the launch pad and everything. That's one of my goals for sure. But yeah, we're heading to Yuma for a week, just so I can plug in and have heat. It's going to be a little cooler next week, but it'll definitely be nice to have the heater fixed before I go back to Canada, that's for sure. But yeah, just hanging out for the day, getting ready to go to Adult Daycare. See you in a bit.
Live in Texas, all Texas is.
So on New Year's morning, we heard there was a fire down the road. Apparently there was an explosion, and a man and his dog didn't make it. We don't know many details yet, but that's just really heavy. Our hearts go out to their family. It's just a sobering reminder of how quickly things can change out here. Alright, well, it's the next day. Starlink launch was pretty awesome. I got about 4 minutes of video that I'm going to put at the end of the video and just show you all the clips that I took. It's pretty cool. Got some really cool still shots. Yeah, that's about all I got for this week, other than showing you the Starlink video. Yeah, I need a week off of peopling after all these, hanging out with all these people, that's for sure. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you haven't already, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe, the heck, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.